Introducing the SANOZONE, a chemical-free pathogen eradication technology. SANOZONE is a portable, scalable system that safely eradicates viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens from all surfaces within a decontamination zone, providing peace of mind to staff, customers, and business owners. SANOZONE units can be used to decontaminate any enclosed, unoccupied space, including warehouses, offices, buses, and trains. SANOZONE uses ozone to break through the outer lipid layer of viruses, rendering them inactive. The process also kills bacteria and other pathogens within the SANOZONE space. Trained operators use SANOZONE intelligent software to remotely activate the unit in unoccupied spaces. As ozone fills the room, LED lights and audible alarms are activated. Motion sensors deactivate the system if triggered. Ozone envelops each object within the room, eradicating viruses and pathogens from all surfaces and penetrating into fabrics. Ozone reaches behind closed cupboard doors and inside drawers to uniformly sanitize every object in the decontamination zone. Once area decontamination is complete, the SANOZONE uses its proprietary conversion technology to rapidly convert ozone back to oxygen. Trained operators receive an email notification confirming the space is sanitized and safe for re-entry. SANOZONE units can be permanently installed with independent HVAC systems or deployed as standalone models. One unit can sanitize spaces up to 20,000 square feet. Custom, large-scale units can decontaminate warehouses as large as 1 million square feet. To learn more, visit us at sanozone.ca or email sales@sanozone.ca.